When it comes to maintaining a clean and tidy yard, a good leaf blower can make all the difference. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Patua Pro Leaf Blower. The Patua Pro Leaf Blower is a compact yet powerful tool that delivers excellent performance for small to medium-sized yard work. Designed with convenience in mind, this leaf blower is lightweight and easy to handle, making it perfect for everyday use. It's equipped with a 21-volt motor that provides a good amount of power for tasks like blowing away leaves, dust, and other debris from patios, driveways, and gardens. One of the standout features of the Patua Pro Leaf Blower is its adjustable speed settings. With 2 speed modes, you can control the airflow depending on the job. The lower setting is great for light tasks like clearing away dry leaves, while the higher speed is ideal for more stubborn debris, wet leaves, or dust stuck in hard-to-reach corners. This blower operates on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which provides up to 30 minutes of continuous use on a full charge. This makes it perfect for quick, regular yard maintenance without the hassle of cords. The battery is also easy to remove and charge, adding to the overall convenience. Number 4. Gemmy Leaf Blower. The Gemmy Leaf Blower offers a step up in power and versatility. This model is designed for users who need something a bit more robust for tougher jobs. Featuring a powerful 450-watt motor, the Gemmy Leaf Blower can easily handle larger yards, gardens, and even some light commercial tasks. Its high-speed air output ensures that even heavier debris like wet leaves and small twigs are no match for this machine. One of the key features of the Gemmy Leaf Blower is its ergonomic design. With a well-balanced weight distribution and a soft grip handle, it's comfortable to use for extended periods without causing strain on your arms or back. This makes it a great choice for users who need to tackle larger areas or work for longer durations. Despite its higher power, the Gemmy Leaf Blower is relatively lightweight compared to other blowers in its category, ensuring ease of use. Another notable feature is its multifunctional design. Not only does this tool function as a leaf blower, but it can also be converted into a vacuum with the addition of a dust collection bag. This makes it perfect for cleaning up both outdoors and indoors, adding extra versatility to an already powerful machine. Number 3. Koopa Leaf Blower. The Koopa Leaf Blower brings exceptional performance and durability to the table. Built with a sturdy design, this leaf blower is ideal for users who need a reliable tool that can stand up to regular use in a variety of conditions. With its powerful 600-watt motor, the Koopa Leaf Blower delivers a high-speed airflow that can easily clear leaves, dirt, and debris from large outdoor areas like lawns, patios, and driveways. One of the standout features of the Koopa Leaf Blower is its versatility. In addition to blowing leaves, it also functions as a vacuum, making it a dual-purpose tool. The vacuum function allows you to quickly and easily collect leaves and other debris into a dust bag, reducing the need for manual cleanup after blowing. This combination of blowing and vacuuming makes it an ideal choice for homeowners who want an all-in-one solution for their yard work. The Koopa Leaf Blower also features an easy-to-use design. The controls are intuitive, and the blower itself is well-balanced, making it comfortable to hold and operate for extended periods. The blower's wide nozzle provides a large coverage area, ensuring that you can cover more ground in less time. Number 2. Woyofata Leaf Blower. The Woyofata Leaf Blower is a high-performance, cordless blower that delivers impressive power and convenience. Designed for those who need to tackle large outdoor areas, the Woyofata is equipped with a powerful 21-volt motor that generates strong air output to handle everything from dry leaves to heavier debris like wet leaves and small branches. Its robust performance makes it suitable for both residential and light commercial use. One of the key features of the Woyofata leaf blower is its cordless design, which provides freedom of movement without being tethered to a power outlet. Powered by a long-lasting rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the Woyofata can run for up to 40 minutes on a single charge, giving you ample time to complete your yard work. The battery is also removable, making it easy to swap out and charge as needed. This model comes with adjustable speed settings, allowing you to choose the right level of power for the task at hand. Whether you need a gentle breeze to clear away dust or maximum airflow for more stubborn debris, the Woyofata has you covered. The blower is also lightweight, making it easy to handle, even during longer sessions. Number 1. Jowhee Leaf Blower. At the top of our list is the Jowhee Leaf Blower, a powerful and feature-packed tool that offers everything you need for effective and efficient yard cleanup. With its high-powered 650-watt motor, the Jowhee delivers an impressive airspeed that can quickly and easily blow away even the toughest debris, including wet leaves, dirt, and small branches. Whether you're dealing with a large lawn, garden, or driveway, the Jowhee Leaf Blower is up to the task. One of the standout features of the Jowhee Leaf Blower is its advanced airflow technology, which maximizes air output while minimizing noise. Despite its power, this leaf blower operates quietly, making it ideal for residential areas where noise might be a concern. The high-speed motor ensures that you can get your yard work done quickly and efficiently, saving you time and effort. The Jowhee Leaf Blower also comes with a variety of speed settings, allowing you to adjust the intensity of the airflow depending on the job. Whether you need a gentle breeze for delicate areas like flower beds or full power for clearing large piles of leaves, the Jowhee has the versatility to meet your needs. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best leaf blowers on AliExpress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.